Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's nice to be back in the saddle again, but Friday and Monday we've certainly had some volatile markets, especially in the world equity markets. I think the big news overnight is that China came out and lowered their interest rates on borrowing. That turned the U.S. equity markets higher and most commodity markets higher. So we're looking at a rebound after this news. The Chinese stock market was actually closed before this news came out. They were down another 7.6%, and so we'll see what kind of impact this has on the Chinese. There was one headline out that 21 commodities show that either prices are up or demand's up, and that China's not a problem. Some people believe that this China stock market was overpriced, it was highly leveraged, it wasn't really reflecting their domestic economic pace, and so this was due for some kind of correction, but may not have as much, or should not have had as much impact on U.S. equities as it has. We'll have to watch and see if this China's economy has any impact on commodity demand, especially the metals and the crude oil. But again, maybe not as much of an impact on U.S. equity markets as it should have had. We saw the USDA estimate the corn ratings at 69% good to excellent versus 73 last year. Harvest is beginning in the south. Louisiana's 87, Mississippi's 52, Texas 47, Arkansas is 25, and Georgia's 62. So we'll get a handle on some of the corn yields that are coming out of there. Bean ratings held steady at 63% good to excellent versus 70 last year, and some people question USDA's soybean production number given the fact that ratings are still below a year ago. Spring wheat harvest jumped 22%. We're 75% done. Normally we're 45% done, and again, good yields, good production, but farmers are storing most of that spring wheat. Overnight, U.S. Midwest was clear and was expected to be cleared today. The 6 to 10 day calls for normal below rains, normal to above temps. The 8 to 14 day keeps temps above normal, but actually brings in some above normal rains across the northern part of the Midwest. The traditional fund sold 15,000 beans yesterday, 13 corn, and bought 4,000 wheat. They're estimated to be about even in the beans now. Long 60,000 corn, and actually, short. I'm long 60,000 corn still, and actually now long 1,000 wheat. Overnight, November beans up 11 cents at 8.85. Your resistance is at 8.89. These corn's up 6 cents at 3.86 with resistance at 3.90. And wheat, December wheat's up 6 cents at 5.14, resistance at 5.22. So China putting a Band-Aid on their hemorrhage is offering support to the U.S. equity market and world commodity markets, and we'll see if this is a bottom or a bounce or just what kind of unfolds over the next few days. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.